It's unboxing time. So I got this in the mail on Friday, I think. I did peek to see kind of what was in it because I was so curious. And one of the things that I was hoping that I got in the box, I got. And so, you know, it comes with this lovely, you know, blue foam. We don't need that. Okay, so the first thing I noticed, and I was hoping that I got in the box, was this brush. This is the Heavenly Luxe brush from It Cosmetics, and it is so super soft. It's the foundation brush number 6, I believe. Yes, number 6. It's a flat top brush for foundation. And then, like I said, it's super soft. And this brush, this little brush, retails for $48 stinking. So I was really excited to get it in a box I only spent $25 for. So that was just totally awesome. And then the next thing that I saw in the box was from Sun and Park. It's called a Beauty Filter Cream Glow. And I was like, I don't know. I'm not sure what it does. It's supposed to be, I think, like a primer. But, so that's all fun. Woo. So you get this little jar. And then we have a little safety seal. And so here we go. And then it has a nice texture. Nice little texture. On the skin. So I am really afraid of anything that says glow on it, because I have seen like some primers and stuff, products like this, that actually make you look like a disco ball. And I know you're putting your foundation over top of it, but even then I have issues with the whole, you know, glowy disco ball lip one from within type of products. Because for me personally, they do not work. It could be my foundation or something else, but I just don't have luck with it. And then the next thing is this pretty little box here. It is from Tarte, and I love me some Tarte. Still having issues with my nails, and if I can never get this box open. Okay, here we go. So first of all, the packaging is so pretty. It says dream big. It's very bright and shiny. And then you open it up, and you're like, ooh, pretties. Now, this is a beautiful palette. I was looking on the website and it said that it was infused with vanilla or something like that. And so it has some really pretty colors, and I'll swatch it in just a minute. I have to film most of the time without my glasses on because the glare I get back from the screen is really horrendous. So as soon as I show you all the products I got in my February box, and I know this is March, but I got this box literally on February 28th. So if I wanted to cancel this box, I would have had to do it then, you know, or my subscription had to did it then. I'm sounding like a yokel. Okay, now the next thing we got in the box I cannot pronounce, so I'm just gonna guess. Mael. I'm sure I'm butchering it, but you know. But it's a really pretty packaging. It's nice gold, very elegant, with a like little pastel logo on it. So nothing real fancy, but very elegant. I like it. And then it has this beautiful mirror on it. And then this is called a Sun-Kissed Bronzer. Okay, well on this bronzer you have all these different shades here. You can swirl them all together and then just use that and have a nice little bronze effect on the face. Or you can dip into each individual little pan for a more concentrated bronzer. And you can, actually, I would use the bronzer. I might use it in the for an eyeshadow, and you can also use it for a highlighter. So I love these multitasking products that they can do more than one thing, especially when they're a little bit more pricey, because, you know, I like to get a good bang for my buck. Now, I'm easily, and I'm talking about easily, amused. So there was 2 possible color shades for this lipstick. There was the Knob Hill Red and then another nude shade. And look, I like a nude just as well as the next girl, but my signature color is red. I love me some red all the time. I mean, I wear my lipstick to bed. I take it off at the very last minute. I don't like to be caught with on my lipstick. Now, for this video, I am doing it sans the lip product because I wanted to show you this lipstick. I love the color. It's beautiful, but I'm not sure about the pigment, so we shall see. We'll see in a minute. And then when you get ready to close it, you just snap it in and snap it out. Go in, out, in, out, in, out. Ooh. Like I said, I'm easily amused. And then, so those are the products that we got in this month's box. And the overall value is over $200. I am a really bad video maker right now, and I did not grab the card that comes with it. But I do remember that this brush was $48. Are you going to help me out with the math?
Huh?
I'm seeing if my husband will help me out with the math. Can you help me out with the math?
Yes.
Okay, he has agreed to be my human calculator. He is amazing with numbers. I don't know how he does it. He's a genius, I swear. Anyway, so this It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flat Topping Foundation Brush number 6 retails for $48. This lipstick is from Finding Ferdinand, and I believe it retails for like $22. You getting that? We have the eyeshadow palette from Tarte, the Dream Big eyeshadow. I can't talk tonight. The Dream Big eyeshadow palette from Tarte. It retails for $30. The Mayel Sunkissed bronzer. It retails for $32. And then finally, we have the Beauty Filter Cream Glow. And I believe Sun & Park is a Korean brand. You know, there's been an influx of K-beauty really coming in, and people are just loving it. But this retails for $30, I believe. So that gives us a whopping total of